Regularly testing ERP systems is critical to ensuring the reliability, security, and performance of these complex, integrated platforms that manage core business functions. ERP systems often involve numerous modules and touchpoints, making them susceptible to errors or inefficiencies caused by updates, customizations, or third-party integrations. Unaddressed issues can lead to operational disruptions, data inconsistencies, and compliance risks, potentially impacting a business's bottom line. For managed service providers, incorporating testing into their service offerings provides an opportunity to deliver greater value to clients by ensuring their ERP systems operate smoothly and meet business requirements. Failures caused by insufficient testing are common, with one of the most notable examples being Hershey's disaster. In the late 1990s, Hershey experienced a disastrous ERP implementation that led to a $100 million loss in sales, a stock price plunge, and years of recovery. The failure stemmed from senior management's decision to condense a 48-month project into 30 months to meet Y2K deadlines, resulting in rushed processes and inadequate testing. Proper planning, realistic timelines, and thorough testing could have prevented this costly mistake. The ERP landscape is rapidly evolving, with trends indicating that 2025 will be a pivotal year for ERP testing. The integration of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things into ERP systems is increasing their complexity and the need for rigorous testing to ensure seamless operation. Additionally, the shift towards cloud-based ERP solutions, which are expected to account for nearly 60% of the overall ERP market by 2025, necessitates comprehensive testing to address unique challenges related to data security, compliance, and system integration. Planned upgrades from major ERP providers will further accelerate this need. SAP is set to embed generative AI features across its ERP platforms, enhancing automation and business insights. Oracle plans to roll out AI-driven analytics and automation tools to optimize decision-making and operational efficiency. These advancements, combined with the increasing adoption of cloud and hybrid models, will drive demand for robust and automated testing processes, presenting a significant opportunity for managed service providers to offer specialized ERP testing services. With more companies transitioning to the cloud and software updates becoming increasingly frequent, managing these tests manually is no longer practical. Minor updates are often delivered monthly or even weekly, while major updates are typically released 2 to 4 times per year. To ensure that all business processes function correctly with every update, extensive test coverage is required. The only efficient, thorough, and scalable way to achieve this is through test automation, which delivers faster, repeatable, and more accurate validation, enabling organizations to enhance efficiency and significantly reduce costs. On average, a standard ERP implementation undergoing a minor update typically requires 1 to 2 weeks of testing with 3 to 5 manual testers. At $50 per hour, this results in a cost of $6,000 to $12,000 for the company. In contrast, automated testing can complete the same work in just 1 to 2 days. Even at a rate of $65 per hour for an automation engineer, the cost is dramatically reduced to $520 to $1,040. When you factor in the frequency of both minor and major updates throughout the year, the time and cost savings delivered by automation become undeniable. Despite its clear benefits, only about 30% of ERP customers adopt test automation. This is primarily due to several challenges. High upfront costs for tools, infrastructure, and skilled resources often deter organizations, particularly when the ROI remains uncertain. The inherent complexity of ERP systems, driven by extensive customizations and integrations, adds to the difficulty. It makes the implementation and maintenance of automation both cumbersome and resource-intensive. Additionally, many organizations lack the in-house expertise needed to manage automation effectively. Frequent ERP updates further compound the challenge, requiring continuous script maintenance and increasing the perceived effort and cost. For managed service providers, delivering test automation services is equally challenging, as software testing is often outside their core competency. This is where a partnership with LogiGear changes everything. Founded 30 years ago in the heart of Silicon Valley, LogiGear is a veteran software testing company specializing in test automation. Over the decades, we've supported some of the Valley's most iconic companies, helping them scale from pre-IPO ventures into the industry giants they are today. In 2000, following industry trends and a commitment to remain competitive, Logigear strategically moved its testing centers to Vietnam, leveraging global talent to deliver cost-effective and high-quality solutions. Partnering with Logigear allows you to expand your service offerings to include specialized performance testing and test automation services. These capabilities not only enhance your value proposition to clients, but also drive additional revenue for your company. By enabling your clients with test automation, they will achieve greater efficiency, ensuring that testing is no longer the bottleneck impeding your initiatives and project timelines. You'll deliver significant cost savings to your clients while maintaining impressive margins. Equally important, you'll eliminate the headaches and overhead costs of hiring, training, and managing an in-house testing team. Instead, you'll gain access to a scalable pool of testing experts who can be deployed on demand and tailored to your specific project needs. For the cost of an hourly manual tester in the US, you can offer a highly skilled and experienced automation or performance engineer while still achieving a 33.33% margin. In comparison, if your client were to hire an in-house automation resource, they would incur an annual expense of up to $140,000, factoring in salary, benefits, and overhead costs. We discussed the complexities of automating testing for ERP systems and why many companies shy away from it. Here's a final thought that highlights why partnering with Logigear is the right choice. Our success with test automation is rooted in the belief that it is fundamentally a design challenge, not just a technical one. While technical issues can often be resolved, poor test design results in ongoing maintenance burdens, brittle tests, and limited scalability. To address this, we adopt a modular design approach, breaking tests into smaller, reusable functions that enhance maintainability, flexibility, and scalability. Keywords are the most effective way to achieve this, providing a structured and efficient foundation for test automation. In this short video, you'll see a sample automated test verifying a JD Edwards business process for transferring an asset to a different location. The test case itself is straightforward, with a clear objective and just 3 intuitive keyword actions: go to path, change asset location, and verify location change. However, as the test runs, you might be surprised by the number of steps that are actually hidden within each keyword. What you don't see are the hundreds of lines of complex code working seamlessly in the background to enable this simplicity. For over 30 years, this unique style of test automation has been Logigear's signature approach. By encapsulating complex code into natural language keywords, it empowers the business team, typically without a coding background, to actively participate in the testing process. This ensures that user requirements are thoroughly tested and aligned with business goals, bridging the gap between technical and non-technical stakeholders for more effective outcomes. Thanks for watching. Connect with us to learn more about how we can partner together and make 2025 your most efficient, innovative, and successful year yet.